The number of rows in a single worksheet is dash. Options: 1056, 384, 1084, 756, 1050, 356, 1048, 576. Answer: option B, 1084, 756. Saved with dash file extensions. Options: dot xls, dot xlss, dot xlsx, dot doc. Answer: option B, dot xlss. The rows and columns are collectively called dash. Options: file, worksheet, document, workbook. Answer: option B, worksheet. Write T for true and F for false. For example, the first sentence is correct. Correct means true, and it has written write T for true. So true, if it's true, then you should write T. When it is wrong, when it's false, wrong for false, then you should write F. Write F for false. First question. By default, workbook contains 2 worksheets in Excel 2090. Answer: false. Second, mouse pointer is displayed as a block plus sign whenever it is located in the cell. The mouse pointer is displayed in the black plus sign, right? Whenever it's located in the cell. Answer: true. Third, active cell has light border around it. Answer: false. Fourth, Excel provides access to 3 different views of the worksheet. Answer: true. Fifth, Excel automatically left aligns the text data and right aligns the number in the cell. Answer: true. True. Fill in the blanks using the following options. The intersection of a column and a row is called options: A, column, D, cell, C, workbook, and D, worksheet. Answer: option B, cell. There are dash columns and rows in a single worksheet. Options: Option A 16, 84, 10. Reference of an active cell is displayed in the dash. Options: File name, name box, sheet, worksheet. Answer: Option B, name box. Dash is used to into the edit formulas, perform calculations on worksheet data. Options: taskbar, formula bar, address bar, title bar. Answer: Option B, formula bar. A cell is a worksheet has a unique address called options A5, A1, B5, B1. Answer: Option B, A1. A block plus sign. Whenever it is located in the cell on the worksheet, another common shape of the mouse pointer is the block arrow. The mouse pointer turns into black block arrow whenever we move it outside the worksheet. Differentiate between the following. Workbook. A separate sheet file is called a workbook, which is like a notebook having many individual worksheets in each worksheet. Data is organized vertically in columns and horizontal in rows. By default, workbook contains one worksheet. Worksheet. The rows and columns in Excel are collectively called worksheet. Each worksheet of Excel 2016 typically has 16,384 columns and 1048,576 rows. Answer the following questions. Question: what is the use of Microsoft Excel? Answer: Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that allows us to organize data and complete calculations in rows and columns. Why we save a workbook? We can save our workbook to reuse it or share it with others. By default, Excel workbook is saved in the .xlsx file extension. Application based questions. Question: you are making a spreadsheet in Excel. The horizontal and vertical lines representing the rows and columns on the worksheet can be turned off, but it is recommended by your teacher to leave them on till the name of these lines. Answer: grid lines. Bye bye. See you next time.